Matte, satin, and powder-coated wheels can be cleaned without scrubbing them aggressively or changing the finish. This wheel started with heavy brake dust, built-up contamination, and a tire loaded with old dressing. The finished result comes from choosing the correct chemistry, letting it work, and using controlled agitation instead of force. The risk with these finishes is not that they require a completely different wheel cleaning process. It is that the wrong chemical or too much pressure can mark the surface. I'll show you how to pre-treat a neglected wheel, clean the wheel and tire in the right order, reach the details safely, and know when the job is actually finished. For the wheel, we're using Fuego at full strength. It is a pH neutral wheel cleaner and iron remover. For the tire, TRX breaks down dirt, tire bloom, and old dressing. On this heavily contaminated tire, the current heavy cleaning dilution is 1 part TRX to 1 part water. When wheels are maintained regularly, you can rinse first and move directly into the normal wash process. On a neglected wheel like this, Fuego can be applied to a dry surface for its most efficient working condition, while TRX pre-treats the tire. This process is not approval for every custom, refinished, damaged, hot, or unknown wheel. Confirm the finish and spot test first. Work on a cool surface out of direct sunlight. Have dedicated wheel and tire brushes ready, including a soft detail brush for the valve stem, center area, and other tight spaces. Fuego must be used undiluted, and both products need to be rinsed away fully. Before you start, inspect for chipped coating, exposed metal, previous repairs, or a finish you cannot identify. If you find any of those conditions, stop and confirm the correct process before applying chemical. The goal is to clean the finish, not discover its limits. Because this wheel is heavily contaminated, spray TRX across the tire and Fuego across the dry wheel face, openings, and accessible barrel. Give the products time to dwell and loosen the contamination. Fuego will turn purple as it reacts with iron particles. That color is a working indicator, not the finished result. Work the brush through the sidewall and 1 tread block deep, using enough movement to lift the old dressing without spraying residue toward yourself. Start at 12 o'clock and work methodically around the face. Use light, controlled pressure. Let the chemistry carry the load, and switch to the smaller brush around the valve stem, center lock area, caliper, and tight edges. Avoid aggressive scrubbing, especially on matte or satin-looking surfaces. Rinse the tire, wheel face, openings, barrel, and surrounding areas completely. Then inspect everything with clean water and good lighting. Once these dark wheels are restored, frequent maintenance is much easier than waiting for another heavy buildup. To order TRX and Fuego used in this process, use the product links in the description.